Powder maintenance for Sinterit SLS 3D printers. Today, we are going to show you how to deal with powder for a desktop SLS 3D printer. You will learn how to recover all the powder from your previous prints, why you need to sieve the powder and how to do it, what amount of the refreshing powder you need to add, where and how you should store your powder. To start, you will need protective gloves, plates for carrying the prints, a tray, plastic scoop, set of brushes. During the printing, powder fills both the feed bed and the print bed. When the printing is done and the printout is moved away from the printer, the rest of the powder will be still left in the chamber and the overflow bin. You will need to recover all of it. Just watch the video called Cleaning Sinterit Lisa Pro 3D Printer to learn how to do it step by step. Let's begin. Recollect the powder from the printout. Remove the printout and pre-clean it with a brush. All of the powder that is left after removing and cleaning the printout could be used in another printing cycle after refreshing. Now, you have to collect all the unsintered powder, and you can move it to Sinterit sieve. Make sure that the container is put inside the appliance at the bottom. Using the scoop, put all of the powder into the sieve. Next, you should add refreshing powder. How much powder do you need to add? This info is displayed on the LCD screen during the cleaning process. If you missed that message, don't worry. You can find the exact amount of the refreshing powder in the SCODE file, as well as in the report generated by Sinterit Studio. To measure the right amount of powder, use measuring cup. Pour the powder into the sieve. Close the lid and push the button on the front of the device. The sieving process will take about 18 minutes and will stop automatically. Remember that if you are printing with Flexa powders, you don't need to refresh it. Just sieve the recovered powder. If you would like to stop the sieving process earlier, just hold the button for 3 seconds. Now you can pull the container out of the device. To store your sieved powder, remember to close the lid tightly. Shake the container to make sure that the powder is mixed correctly. Keep containers tightly closed in a dry, cool, and well-ventilated place. Now you are ready for the next print.